Oh, you do?
Very good.
Very good. Feel better. I feel valid kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
The main issue with me is my hips. I feel like they're uneven. One is higher, one is lower, and I also have some shoulder. And I feel like everything from my left body is like it's tingling.
Tingling?
Oh, up a bit. It's so tight. Yeah.
Right there? Okay. All right. So
It's just an imbalance, tighter here.
Tighter there?
I don't feel anything here.
right there,
Here.
right there. Oh, there you go.
Wow. It feels really good.
Nice.
Less tension.
You're gonna sit up straight now?
Yeah. I feel like I'm taller a bit here, but it's better now. I think my hips are a little bit even.
Yep.
Yeah.
Video. All right. Well, welcome to our clinic this morning, sir. What brings you in? What kind of issues do you have that we can help you with?
The main issue with me is my hips. I feel like they're uneven. One is higher, one is lower, and I also have some shoulder. And I feel like everything from my left body is like it's tingling.
Tingling.
Mechanical engineering, and we were sitting a lot, 3 hours straight, and then having lunch, and then going back 3 hours again. So that's maybe 6 hours. Yeah.
Any pain there?
Yeah.
Right there.
Tighter
Okay.
here.
All right. So
It's just an imbalance, tighter here.
Tighter there?
I don't feel anything here.
right there,
Here.
right there.
Super
Okay.
tight.
The other side.
Not so much.
Not so much. Okay. Sideways. Any pain there?
Here in my hips.
Hips on the.
Right here.
Okay.
Pretty sharp.
Okay. The other side.
And both here.
Right there. Okay. All right. All the way out. Nice and easy. There you go.
Wow.
Satisfying. Just like ASMR when you're eating ASMR with microphone.
Oh, yep, yep, yep. There you go.
Oh. Wow. Oh. Wow.
Wow, speechless, just wow.
I like it.
It's all right.
It's very tight.
Yeah.
Oh. It feels really good.
Nice.
Oh.
Dream come true.
Yeah, I really feel it here.
That was the spot.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, really here. Yeah, and there's less tension right here. Yeah, it's a little bit more balanced, but there's still a little bit.
Yep. Turn to.
A little bit here.
Okay. And is it easier to sit up straight now?
Yeah, I feel like I'm taller.
Nice. Or less energy, right? Needed to.
Yeah. When before I was like doing like this, really like tensioning it so that I could stand back. Okay. Yeah.
All right, let's check your lower back now.
It's a little bit here.
Just a little bit there. Okay. Oh, better on this side, but a little bit less on that side.
Yes, right
Okay.
here. It's a little bit sharp.
Yeah, we still got some work to do there.
This
But better this side.
Not really.
Okay.
I don't feel anything.
And the numbness, is it?
Here. It's a little bit numb.
How about down your leg?
Yeah. Here.
Okay. So there's some pressure on the nerves there on the left side still.
A little bit here, but it's better now.
Yeah.
I think my hips are a little bit even.
Yep.
Yeah. That's good.
All right, perfect.